Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to deposit money at a Santander ATM without using your debit card, updated for 2025. It's fast, secure, and super convenient. Let's get started. Step 1, open your Santander app. Launch the Santander mobile banking app on your smartphone and log in using your credentials, fingerprint, or Face ID. Step 2, find a nearby ATM. Tap on the ATMs and branches option in the app to locate the closest Santander ATM that supports cardless deposits. Step 3, choose cardless deposit option in the app. Go to the app's main menu, then tap cardless transactions or ATM options, depending on your version. Select make a deposit. Step 4, generate your code. The app will now generate a temporary access code or QR code is valid for a short period, usually 15 minutes. Keep this code handy. Step 5, go to the ATM and select cardless option. At the ATM, tap the screen and select cardless transaction or access without card. Then enter the code from your app or scan the QR code. Step 6, insert the cash. Once authenticated, select deposit and insert your cash bills into the ATM when prompted. Make sure the bills are flat and not damaged. Step 7, confirm and finish. Check the deposit summary on the screen. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction and collect your receipt. Done. The money will be instantly deposited into your Santander account. No card required. Important tip, cardless deposits are only available at eligible Santander ATMs, so be sure to check availability in the app first. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more smart banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.